Are you drowning in debt but still dreaming of financial freedom? Wondering if it's even possible to build wealth while still paying off what you owe? You're not alone, and yes, you absolutely can. Hey everyone, I'm Emma, your guide to financial transformation. Welcome back to Wealth Mindset, where we unlock the secrets to financial freedom, one smart move at a time. If you're ready to crush debt and grow your money game, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and let's get into it. First, list all your debts: credit cards, personal loans, student loans, you name it. Write down the balances, interest rates, and minimum payments for each. Knowing exactly what you owe is the first step toward taking control. Next, track all your income sources. This includes your main job, side hustles, and any passive income streams. Understanding how much money flows in every month gives you the power to plan smart. Now, list all your expenses, both fixed and variable. Essentials like rent, food, and transportation go into one category, while things like entertainment and dining out go into another. Categorizing your spending helps you spot where to save. It's time to calculate your net worth. Subtract all your debts from your assets. This gives you a true snapshot of where you stand today. Don't be discouraged by the number, it's just your starting point. Finally, use tools or budget worksheets to keep track of everything consistently. Whether it's a spreadsheet or a financial app, staying organized turns chaos into clarity. This system will be your compass on the journey to wealth. Start with a zero-based budget, where every dollar has a mission. From bills to savings to a little fun, nothing is left without a job. This is how you give your money purpose, not just movement. Next, make sure you're paying more than the minimum on high-interest debts. The minimum just keeps you treading water, but extra payments help you swim forward. Aim your resources at the biggest threat first. Don't forget to set savings as a non-negotiable line item. Pay yourself first by putting money aside before spending on anything else. It's how you build a safety net that grows into wealth. Now it's time to cut what you don't truly value. Look through your spending and ask, does this actually bring me joy or move me forward? Free up resources to fuel what really matters. Finally, review your budget monthly. Just like a map on a journey, it needs checking and adjusting as you move forward. Make it a habit, and your money will always follow your mission. Start by saving a small amount, just $500 to $1,000. This is your basic emergency cushion before going hard on debt payoff. It's your shield when unexpected life events strike. Don't dip into this fund unless it's a true emergency. Not for sales, not for cravings, only for real-life storms. This is your lifeline, not your lunch money. Keep your emergency fund easy to access but not too easy. Use a separate savings account, so it's available when you truly need it, but out of everyday reach. This helps you stay disciplined. Fund your emergency savings fast by using side hustles or cutting expenses. Channel extra income straight into your cushion until it's fully funded. Think of it like building armor for your future. Once you've handled your high-interest debts, expand your emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses for true peace of mind. It's the ultimate safety net on your journey to wealth. Start with the avalanche method. Attack your highest interest debt first. This strategy saves the most money in the long run because you're stopping the most damaging interest from growing. Think of it as taking down the biggest monster first. Then there's the snowball method. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first. These quick wins can build momentum and keep you emotionally motivated. It's like knocking over the first domino in a chain reaction. You can also try a hybrid approach, a mix of snowball and avalanche. Choose the one that fits your emotional needs and your financial goals. The best strategy is the one you'll stick with. Automate your payments to stay on track. Setting up autopay helps avoid late fees and keeps your progress smooth and steady. Think of it like putting your repayment plan on autopilot. Finally, track your wins visibly. Use a chart, a tracker, or even a whiteboard to see your progress every day. Seeing how far you've come can keep you fired up to finish strong. Start by monetizing your skills, whether that's tutoring, freelance design, writing, or even virtual assistant work. Your skills are valuable, and someone out there needs them. Think of it as turning your talent into treasure. Consider picking up part-time gigs that work with your lifestyle like delivery, pet sitting, or evening shifts. A few hours a week can make a huge difference over time. These flexible quests add up fast. Got stuff you're not using? Sell unused items and turn clutter into cash. Local marketplaces and online platforms make this treasure hunt easier than ever. One person's junk is another's gem. If you're working full-time, don't forget the power of asking for a raise or promotion. Your current job might be your most valuable income stream. Advocate for your worth and level up. Finally, reinvest in yourself through courses, books, or mentorships. Even low-cost learning can unlock higher income in the future. Knowledge is your secret weapon in the wealth-building adventure. Start with small contributions, even just $20 a month. Tiny steps today build financial mountains tomorrow. Every coin you plant is a seed of future wealth. Use tax-advantaged accounts to grow your money more efficiently. That means 401ks, IRAs, or similar accounts designed to help your investments grow faster. They're like magic portals that supercharge your savings. Don't wait until you're debt-free to invest. The truth is, time in the market beats timing the market. Even small amounts invested early can grow massively over time. Learn to balance your priorities, paying down debt while investing. You don't have to choose just one path. Split your efforts wisely to gain ground on both fronts. Lastly, automate your contributions so it becomes second nature. Just like brushing your teeth or charging your phone, let saving become a habit. Wealth builds easiest when it's on autopilot. Celebrate your milestones along the way. When you reach a goal, no matter how small, treat yourself in a way that aligns with your values. A small celebration boosts morale and keeps momentum strong. Join a support community of people working towards similar goals. Encouragement from others can carry you through tough times and help you stay motivated. You're not alone on this quest. Revisit your why often. Keep your end goal emotionally visible: a better life, freedom, peace of mind. When motivation fades, remembering your why can reignite the fire. Don't fall into the comparison trap. Other people's paths aren't yours, and comparing will only slow you down. Focus on your map, your pace, your journey. Finally, track your progress every month. Look at what's working, refine what's not, and recommit to your goals. This is how you stay focused and finish strong. Paying off debt and building wealth isn't just a dream, it's a strategy. You don't have to choose one over the other. With discipline, focus, and the right plan, you can do both. If this video gave you clarity, hit that like button, subscribe to Wealth Mindset, and don't forget to share it with someone who needs a financial breakthrough. What step are you on in your debt payoff journey? Drop your thoughts, wins, or struggles in the comments. Let's build a community that grows together. This is Emma with Wealth Mindset, reminding you of the power of a wealthy mindset. Until next time, stay focused, stay empowered, and take control of your money future.